excited for this DIY as we're gonna attempt and hopefully succeed to rehab one of my vintage LV bags. This is an LV Speedy right here. It is vintage, she is old, and of course, being she's old, she does have the classic, very dirty handles. But of course, the main structure of this is absolutely gorgeous. So naturally, how Amazon loves to read my thoughts and probably yours, I was scrolling through and happened to see the brand of Angelus Paint, a really nice leather paint that I actually used to do the bottom of my red bottom heels. Definitely check that out if you have not seen that video. Absolutely love that project. But I had seen it in the color of Vachetta, and I literally was like, oh my gosh, this is the answer to rehabbing my vintage Louis Vuitton bags. So I will tell you that I actually went to the Louis Vuitton store to actually see how much it would cost to actually get all brand new leather and also piping on this bag. Because like I mentioned, this bag, even though it is very vintage, she still looks honestly amazing. So I almost was like, it would be a shame for me not to use her just because she is so, you know, old on the handles. So the quote to actually get all new leather and piping was literally $750. I was like, yeah, I'm definitely gonna pass on that. So the things that we're gonna need for this little project is probably a variety of paint brushes from very small to the details, and then of course maybe some semi-medium. I have no idea, I just picked these out. Of course we will use the paint, and then I also have a old kitchen towel that I'll be using as well. So let's just head to my painter's studio and get going. Okay, welcome to my little painter studio, aka my living room. So I'm actually just gonna start really quickly just with these details right here, and then for the straps, of course, gonna use a towel just like this to kind of prop it when I paint. And literally 1 hour later, look at the transformation. So great. And that's honestly what I love so much about this Angelus paint, is that it dries so quickly, so you can easily put layers on like almost immediately. Actually, let me just show you. So this is like my everyday, this is a 35. And of course, here's the 40. I mean, look at the difference. It is just so amazing. And then just put a little bit of a matte sealer right over it, and then you are ready to go and rock out literally your brand new Louis Vuitton bag. So let me know if you've actually done any type of painting like this to your bag. Also, this brand right here, if you buy the variety of colors, you can actually paint your actual bag and make like those really fun painted, very expensive Louis Vuitton bags. So I seriously would love to see you being very creative and having fun, because that's what life is all about. So I appreciate each and every single one of you for watching, and we will see you soon. Bye.